Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold XAUUSD on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, the lower time frames, let's look at what has happened on the higher time frames. I'll be starting with the daily time frame. We have the pivot line. Using pivot analysis, this is our pivot line at 6.58. All right, and we have resistance, the first resistance at 2142.76. Of course, we have the first support at 2111.44. These are support one. So price closed above the pivot line, indicating that we might see a push upward. All right, on the daily time frame. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that there is a bullish progression. Okay, there's a bullish progression, and the price is revolving around the pivot line. So we might see price push a little lower, then go up to test resistance 1, and then possibly continue upwards. Or we might see price testing resistance 1 and then giving us a double top, and then price drops. But that's for the pivot line. Let's look at the daily, at the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see that price has been bullish. Okay, now here we have a resistance around here, and the same resistance line was tested couple of times after this particular point. So, and we can see a breakout of that resistance line, more like a test, and then a pullback. And then what we can see now is price already forming a candlestick, lapping across the resistance line. Let me remove the lines around here so that we can see a clearer picture of what I'm talking about. So we can see on the monthly time frame, if the monthly candlestick closes around here, then we expect price of gold to continue to give us new highs. All right, so for now the price of gold is bullish, and we have a trend line, ascending trend line, that is respected. We equally have another trend line here, respected, and we can see the development of another trend line that is respected accordingly. So we expect the price of gold to continue to break upward, giving us fresh highs. That's that for the monthly time frame. On the still on the monthly time frame, if price of gold is going to drop, we have this order block, fresh order block around here, that might serve as support to price, for price to continue to go upwards. We have another one here, and then we have another one around here. If that is if price is going to drop, might drop to this point and continue upwards, or drop to this point, continue upwards, or drop to this point. But that is that for the monthly time frame. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. What do we have on the weekly time frame? On the weekly time frame, just like the monthly time frame, price is going up in a bullish momentum. Okay, bullish. We have a bullish structure as price continue to break. This particular high has been broken. All right, on the weekly time frame, got broken, and then we have another high that has been broken. This other high, 2133.5, has been broken. Okay, for us to have a new high for this current week. All right, but that's that for the break of structure to the upside. On the weekly time frame, let's look at support or the other blocks. Let's look at the demand area. This is a demand area on the weekly time frame. That's a demand area. Just a minute. I want to give it another color. Okay, let me change the color so that we can better understand the difference. Okay, this is the demand area on the weekly time frame. This is another demand area on the weekly time frame. It's another one. All right, and then we have another one where price can drop to, and then we might likely this one price can drop here. You might see a push up. Price might likely drop to this point. All right, so that's that for the weekly time frame. The structure is bullish. Structure is bullish. On the daily time frame, we've talked about pivot analysis on the daily time frame, but let's try and look at what has happened, what is currently happening on the daily time frame. You can see the momentum, strong bullish momentum on the daily time frame. Let me remove whatever is on the screen. Okay, we can see a strong bullish momentum. All right, we have a strong bullish momentum around here. We have another one here, then we have another one here. So the buyers are more here. As we can see less, red candles and more green candles. But beside that, we can see that a break of this structure around here. All right, so the buyers are in control of the market. We have a break of this structure, this very structure that's been broken here. So we might want to see what happens today for today's candlestick, if we are going to see a candle open and close. Let me try and give us a candle color. For today, we are expecting a candle to open and close. All right, okay, and close directly against this structural line. If this happens, then gold is going to continue to go up and up and up. But if we have a candle giving us like a red candle at the end of the day, if you have a red candle, let me give it an illustration with a color, red color. We end up having red candle at the end of the day. All right, possibly we have something like this. Price closes like this. We might see price, if this happens, if today's excuse me, if today's candlestick closes in red, we might see price dropping to test this other block around here. Okay, if price tests the other block, we might see price continuing upward. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is price is currently bullish. It's currently bullish, but we have this other block that might serve as demand, where price will likely find a buyers and then push up. Okay, and the next demand area where price might likely find buyers is this level. Okay, and the next one on the daily time frame, this is another one, and another one on the daily time frame is this, and another one on the daily time frame is this. So we have so many buyers lined up. The sellers are going to have a very tough time to break through all these demand levels. It's going to be a tough time for the sellers to try to break through all these barriers. So that's that for the daily time frame. It's strongly bullish on the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Let me try to remove this. You can see strong push upward. Okay, strong push. It's been ranging We have range top around here, and then we have range bottom around here, and we can see the breakout of the range at this point. So price broke the range at this point, the range on the 4-hour time frame, and look at the candle, the candlestick lapping across, bullish candlestick, an institutionally bullish candlestick lapping across the structural line. Okay, and then we can see price giving us more like retesting around here to continue up, retested this place, continue up. Now price is trying to break this structure. This is a structure, price 2141.67, price trying to break that structure. If we can experience, if we can see, if this happens, this kind of candlesticks happens against this structural line, then we expect price to continue to go up. All right, so if price is going to drop to pick more buyers and continue its direction up, let's look at the demand levels. We have a demand level around the 2115 area where buyers are lined up. Okay, buyers are lined up around this point, and then if price comes to this point, it's going to pick more buyers and then push up. Another demand level is at this point where buyers are lined up. All right, more buyers will be here waiting if in case price drops to this level. The orders, the pending orders, the pending buy orders will definitely peak price and then continue to push price upward. Then we have another demand level around here. So that's that for the 4-hour time frame. For the 4-hour time frame, the structure is bullish structure. We have a bullish structure in as much as this trend line is anything to do with, okay, if this trend line continues to be respected, then we expect price to push up and then attain new highs. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, bullish, you can see this strong bullish momentum around here. You can see the repetition around here, strong bullish momentum. Price, the buyers step in, push price up, consolidate, step in, push price up, consolidates, push price up, and then we can take this as a consolidation for price to go up. All right, on the 30 minutes time frame, still bullish, look for buying opportunity. You can see the buyers already gathering momentum around this point. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see more green candles, though we have a consolidation around here, but it didn't really have much effect as this particular demand level is currently holding price. This demand level is holding price. Price is, the buyers around here have picked up price. Buyers at this demand level have picked up price, and as you can see, price is trying to push up. So if you want to trade gold for now, before the London session opens, you might look for buying opportunities. But when you buy, you have this supply level around here. Price might get to this point, push down a little bit, then price might rise to this point, drop a bit, and then go up to break this particular high, or for us to have double top. But if we have, in case we have double top, it might not really hold, because this resistance will definitely become support, and then more buyers will push in, more buyers will push the price up, and then we have break of structure at a new high. All right, so on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see price trying to form inverted head and shoulder. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So we expect price to break the neckline. The neckline should be somewhere around here. Once the neckline is broken, expect price to go up. All right, but we have supply area on the 5 minutes around here. This is going to be a supply area. This is another supply area. Supply areas are areas where you expect sellers to push price. But for now, if price goes up to this point, we might see it, dropping. Of course, this is the supply area. All right, this is resistance. Price breaks the resistance, goes up to this point, and the resistance might likely turn to support. All right, then for price to continue to go up, get to this resistance, and then you might see this become a support, and then for price to finally go up and break this. So you might likely see this happening. All right, but if price does not go up as expected, we might see price dropping. If there is a big news that's against the metal, the gold metal, might see price dropping to the support level, and then picking. Price might drop to that support level and then picking buyers. Buyers are lined up around here. Okay, and buyers are also lined up around here. All right, so that's that for the analysis for gold this today. Look for buying opportunities. Of course, there will be a lot of sellers trying to push price down, but that may not work, as price has already broken the most recent high. This is the most recent high, and it has been broken. Okay, so if price laps and closes above this particular point, we expect price to continue to push up. So that's that. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed what you just watched. If you are yet to subscribe, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you get to see more of our videos. Our current subscribers, we say a big thank you for holding on and then sticking with us. If you want to drop comments, you can go ahead and drop comment below the video, ask questions. We try as much as possible to respond to your questions. You can also click the notification bell button so that when we release another video, you'll be notified. We have our website, www.binfxtrader.com. You can go to this website to learn more on how to trade. We also have another website, fxfables.com. You can go to that website to learn more on how to trade. It's like come your way tomorrow. It's bye for now.